Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam look, perfect for any work event, date night, or any event. To prep my face, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. For my lips, I'm using this Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm by the Inky List. And for my foundation, I am using this Makeup Forever HD Skin. Moving on, for color corrector, I'm using this Huda Beauty Fall Filter Corrector in the shade Peach. For my eyeshadow prep, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Instant Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 140. For my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. To conceal and clean up around my eyebrows, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Skinful Cover Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. Then I am going to add some gel on my eye. I'm going to add a little bit of translucent powder before I begin with eyeshadow. This is by Laura Mercier. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Soft Glam 2 by Anastasia palette. First, I want to start with the color Incense all over my eyelid and underneath. Ooh. Then I'm going to be grabbing the shade Tempera just to cover up that bottom eyelid area because I want it to look a little bit brighter. Now I'm grabbing my liquid and my pencil eyeliner. One is by Revlon, and the other one is by Pixie. One is in the color black and the other one is in the color dark brown. I want to clean up the eyeliner a little bit, make the line a little bit smaller. I like to start from the middle of the eye. I don't like to go all the way to the eye because I feel like it looks like it's too much, and I want this to really look soft and kind of together. Then I'm gonna go back with the eyeshadow and I'm going to fix that little area that I concealed. Now I want to add some shimmer, so I am using my palette again in the shade Dreamer. I'm putting that in the corner so that I can make my eyes pop and shine. So that area that I didn't add any eyeliner, that's the area I'm putting the shimmer. So now I'm grabbing my pencil eyeliner and I am connecting it with the top eyeliner. To conceal, I'm grabbing my Bobbi Brown concealer and I am working my way upwards. I always like to give my face a lifted look, and I love to do that with concealer. Fixing and cleaning as I go. I'm gonna go on and highlight and conceal those areas that I want to highlight. Then I'm going to be grabbing this Patrick Ta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer in the shade She's Bronze. So I am contouring in those areas. that I want contour. Then I'm grabbing my translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm working around those areas. Then I'm going to do the bronzer here, the powder bronzer, using my contour brush. I'm grabbing my powder brush just to clean out any areas that doesn't look too together. Then for liquid blush, I'm grabbing this blush from Rare Beauty, in the shade Happy. Then I am grabbing a powder blush by House Lab in the shade Fire Moon. This is to make things more compacted and look together and give it a little bit more of a color, a darker color on the blush. I'm grabbing my highlighter by Laura Mercier, highlight number 1, and I'm highlighting those areas that I like to highlight. To set everything together, I'm grabbing my Urban Decay All-Nighter. Moving on to lashes. You can grab any mascara, your favorite mascara, and put on some on the top and at the bottom as well. From here on out, you can choose to leave it like that, but if you like a little extra, just like me, I'm going to add some lashes, some fake lashes by Ardell. I love these. They're very thin, so they're very easy to put on. Now for my lips, I'm grabbing this Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Warm Brown, and I am giving it shape around my lips. And then to fill everything in, I am using this Anastasia lipstick in the shade Peach Amber. Then I want to clean the area around, so I'm grabbing my Bobbi Brown concealer and I am tracing it around my lips to make it look cleaner and to give it a nice shape. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.